said, it's the summer.
Sit down.
We gotta
Senator.
An eater.
Oh, I meant to type MCs. What happened?
Yum. Wonderful day for a hike, I will tell you that much right now. I agree.
Well, that's a really good thing. I'm glad that we have a hike
Much high school.
today.
Oh, look, it's a wild trash can.
Oh man!
Wow.
Oh man!
Got
He's
him.
got it.
It's the first day of summer. Most of our men are already stranded on the other side of piranha-infested waters. What are we going to do? I believe our man Riley Midgley is going to try to jump the river. He's making a... Oh! Oh, he made it. Welcome back, Riley Midgley.
It's the second day of summer, and there's no sign of homework. We've lost 2 of our men, with 0 chance for rescue.
Men, how are you feeling?
Feeling like crap. Dumb.
We are going on a field trip. Ah, thank goodness.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is stopping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase never school. When it's
So Riley, where are we going?
We're going to the ruins of a once great civilization.
Cool.
Oh,
Wow, hey!
whoa. Way past its prime.
Guys, I gotta go. I've been framed. Garrett Smith, sophomore senator.
Tom Cloward, sophomore senator.
Hunter Buckway, sophomore senator.
He is representative. Taya Reynolds, secretary.
Amanda Mimit, sophomore vice president.
Riley Midgley, sophomore president.